the biggest misconception people have about TikTok Creator Rewards program is that you can only access it from United States. And the second biggest misconception is that those people who know that you can access it from any country in the world think that you need complex and expensive setups like burner phones, US SIM cards, proxies, or all of that stuff. The thing is, that's not the case. That's why in this video, I'll show you the best method to get access to Creator Rewards program, TikTok Shop Affiliate, and even target American audiences without any of the complex setup. As you can see, there are multiple accounts that have done this method, got over 100,000 followers, almost 200,000, successfully done TikTok Shop Affiliate or TikTok Shop product things and Creator Rewards. So the method I'm talking about is Ticomate. This is my platform, just to let you know. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. But what Ticomate does is provide you with TikTok accounts and the US posting guide. So if you go down below, I'll show you right here, you can buy a US TikTok account, a posting guide, or a domination guide. Now we'll get to that in a bit. That's even more insane. And the beauty of Ticomate is that it doesn't require all that technical, terrible setup. As you can see, usual setups require VPNs, proxy, SIM cards. Here, you don't need that. You can even automate everything in literally 10 minutes, right? While traditional methods take you days or weeks. You know, you need to order the SIM card, proxies, all of that stuff. Now, same thing with the devices, right? Usually people think they need a lot of devices to scale. Now, for this method, for the US domination guide, you don't need any devices if you want to scale like UGC and all of that stuff, right? And still target US and join Creator Rewards program. And it's comparably a lot less expensive. Now, there's a lot of things here, all the information that you may need, so you can read through this yourself, but let me explain the plans now. So, US TikTok page is for those who want to join Creator Rewards program from any country in the world. Now, to reach American audience, once you're posting content, you'll need a posting guide, or you cannot get these at all and use a TikTok domination guide, because this covers everything. How to create US TikTok accounts yourself without burner phones, VPNs, US SIM cards, or all of that stuff, how to warm them up automatically, how to post on them automatically, all from any country in the world. So if you go to here, you can just click get started or go to the guide, and basically you'll see everything you need to dominate US TikTok. And this applies to everything: Creator Rewards program, TikTok Shop Affiliate, UGC marketing, Faceless content creation, drop shipping, whatever it is. As you saw, I showed you the examples. These are 2 drop shipping accounts, I believe. Here are some Faceless content creation with Creator Rewards program. Here we have TikTok Shop Affiliate, another person promoting his app. So if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, or just go to Ticomate and click on this little widget right here, and you'll be able to send me a message and I'll answer as soon as possible. Now, if you already reach American audience, but you just don't have content to post, then I suggest you take a look at this video where I share how to create a bunch of pieces of content in literally minutes.